Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys another recipe. So without wasting much time, I'll just take you through the ingredients real quick. So I have here carrot puree, tomato paste, onion, ginger, garlic, and habanero pepper mixture, chopped onions, celery grains, chopped onions, celery grains, tomatoes, pepper, onion, whole onion, okra, which is optional, shrimp powder, salt to taste, natural spice mix. I have here chicken seasoning, Maggi stock cube, and I'll be using chicken. We are making chicken soup, so this is my chicken right here. I have my chicken right here. So what I did with the chicken was that I cleaned the chicken, I roasted it a little bit on the stove, and then I marinated it with salt for about 15 to 20 minutes. That is what I always do, because that way I feel that it gives the chicken a very nice taste, because the salt will have time to penetrate in the chicken before we start our soup. We already have salt, so I'm not adding salt at this time. I'm going to add in the celery grains and the onion. I'm not going to add in any water at this time. I'm going to cover it and let it be on a high heat for about 5 to 6 minutes. Then we continue. So it's been 7 minutes now, and this is how our chicken is looking like. At this time I'm going to go ahead and then add in the ginger mixture, chicken seasoning, the natural spice mix, then the Maggi cube, to go ahead now and add a little bit of water to it, and then taste for salt. I tasted for salt at this time, and a little bit of salt is needed, so I'm just going to go ahead and then add in a little bit of salt. So it's been about 7 minutes since we added in the ginger mixture. So at this time I'm going to add in my tomato paste to it, and then give it a stir. So now I have in my tomato paste. Going to go ahead and then add in my shrimp powder, and then I'll add in my tomatoes, and I'll add in my onions, and cover this. Let it be on a medium heat for about 8 to 10 minutes. It's been 6 minutes now, and at this time I'm adding our carrot puree. Add a little bit of water to it. And then I'm going to take out the tomato and the onions. Then I'll blend it and bring it back in. I saw that my tomato is still a little bit hard, like there is still fresh tomatoes in there. So I'm going to just cover it for about for additional 5 minutes before I get the tomatoes and the onions out, and then after we blend it, then we will add water to it. So now I'm going to take out the tomatoes. Adding the blended mixture with the tomato and the onions, and then I'll add in water and taste for salt. If more salt is needed, then we will add salt. The amount of salt you use in this recipe depends on your salt preference, so add salt to your taste. Now I'm going to just cover it and let it be on a medium heat. Now, so at this time I'm going to go ahead and then add in my okra and my pepper. Guys, the okra in this soup is optional. You can decide to add it in or leave it out. And the pepper in there, guys, you can also decide not to add the pepper if you don't want your soup too spicy. My kids eats my food, so I don't always add a lot of spice to my food. So what I did is that I always add some pepper to it, a whole pepper to it, so that if I want extra spiciness, then I will just mash some into my own portion. I'll get my spiciness from there. So this is it. It's on medium heat and our soup will be ready soon. So now guys, our soup is all ready. This is how the soup is looking like. You can eat this with rice, fufu, any swallow of your choice, but I'm going to eat mine with fufu this afternoon. So thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you, and until we meet again, stay out of trouble and love yourself, love your neighbor as yourself, and never give up. So thank you guys so much. God bless you.